Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I give myself an at-home blowout using my Airwrap tool. I've gotten a lot of requests for this. This was just kind of an impromptu video. I did not plan on filming, but I was getting ready to blow dry my hair and I sit down in my filming area to blow dry my hair anyway, so I was like, you know what, let me just show you what I do. So I'm just going to part my hair like I normally do. I part my hair in the middle, which you guys know, and then I'm going to add a few products to my hair. One of them I've been using forever, and the first one is kind of new, but I really like it. So am I putting it in my hair yet? Did I? Yeah, I think I am running it through my hair. I'm using the ColorWoW Dream Cocktail. This is for fine, thin hair, and it instantly adds mass and volume. I really like this because I feel like it does add a little bit of bounce and volume to the hair without weighing it down. So after I get that in there, I'm just going to brush through my hair to make sure she's not naughty and she's nice and just brushed through before we go in with my holiest of holy grail hair products. Coffee first. I'm going to use the ColorWoW Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is like a transforming spray that transforms the texture of your hair. It helps to protect it against humidity. It just really controls any kind of frizz or texture you have in your hair. And I'm literally going to douse my hair in this. My hair was like more on the drier side at the top of my head, but I'm just going to soak my hair in this basically till I can't use my finger to spray it anymore. Also, this ColorWoW Dream Coat is a heat-activated product, so if you're not planning on blow drying your hair, you probably don't want to spray this in there because it's probably not going to do anything for you, so just keep that in mind. And it does require a little bit of tension, so you got to be kind of like strong with your blow dry. So after I've sprayed that all throughout my hair, I'm just going to brush it one more time just to make sure that the product is like evenly dispersed through my hair. And then we're going to move right on to drying. So what I use now to dry my hair is just the Dyson Airwrap. I purchased this guy when it first came out about maybe 3 years ago, and I just absolutely love it. This is the attachment that I use, the one with the little pink bristles. It comes with 6 different attachments. This is another brush head you can use if you want, but I just like this one a lot better. And I'm just going to start blow drying my hair. I like to do the top section first. That's just me. I don't know. I know a lot of people like to start from the bottom and work their way up, but I like to make sure that this part is nice and dry and that my part is kind of locked into place. So I'm just going to brush my hair. It's doing all the work for me. You do want to start with a little bit of more damp hair. It does come with like a rough drying tool so that your hair is not like super soaking wet when you're drying it, but it just looks a little more wet because of all the product that I sprayed into it, but it's not super wet. It's just more on the damp side. So as you can see, I'm just going underneath the hair and brushing down and then going on top of it and brushing up. I just like to brush all my hair forward because I like my bangs to kind of like hang in my face. You'll see like when I curl it how it looks. So I'm just going to continuously do this until I section off my hair and then basically do the same exact thing. So for the most part, my hair is dry. It's a little damp still, so to finish it off, I'm first going to switch my brush attachment, and I'm going to go with the larger size barrel. My Dyson came with 4 different barrels, 2 different sizes, and each size goes in 2 different directions. So I'm using this one to curl away from my face. And as you can see, I like to hold my hair on it. You can just let the Dyson grab your hair, that's fine. I just feel like when I wrap it myself, I get a little bit of a better style. And I know it it seems like I'm holding it on here for a long time, but I probably am holding it for like 20 seconds, 10 seconds with heat, and then 10 seconds with the cool shot button. By using that little cool shot button, it's just going to help your style last a little bit longer because I had a chance to cool on the barrel. And the roots of my hair are still a little bit wet, so I am just holding the root of my hair curled around the barrel a little longer than I hold the rest of my hair. Again, it will catch on its own, like your hair will catch around the barrel. I just find after using it for 2 years that this is the best way for me, especially having longer hair. As you can see, it's a little bit of a struggle to get it on the barrel. The barrel should be a little bit longer, but it is totally doable. This is how I do my hair every single time I blow dry my hair. I don't even use my blow dryer anymore. I only ever use this tool, which is nice, especially when traveling. I only have to take this guy with me with the little brush attachments. So I'm just going to repeat this all around my hair. I do one side at a time, and I will switch the barrel when I get to the other side of my head because, like I said, I'm just curling everything away from my face. Also, I want to take this time to say I hope all of you guys are doing okay. I know we're like in a really weird time in 2020. It's pretty crazy out right now, and I just hope you guys are doing whatever you've got to do to get through this, whether it be staring at your phone and sitting on the couch all day, watching your favorite shows, organizing your whole house, doing nothing, hanging out with your cats, like whatever you guys are doing. I just hope that you are taking it easy and taking it day by day because it's a weird time we're living in, and I will have some vlogs up for you guys next week. I've just been organizing my makeup room. If you guys follow me on socials, I'll leave them in the bottom bar just in case you're not, to see what I've been up to. I've been trying to post a lot more on stories and stuff just to keep you guys company. So I'm just gonna keep doing what I'm doing, and I hope you guys are, just like in a good mental state. And also to anybody that's working during this crazy time, you are so appreciated. Nurses, doctors, takeout people working in grocery stores, people bringing food deliveries, UPS drivers, sanitation workers, like anybody that's like out in this crazy time. I just want to send a wholehearted thank you because you guys are just, the real heroes of the situation. So after the majority of my hair is curled, I always go back and recurl the front 2 pieces, and then I will tuck those pieces behind my ear because that's how you really get like that most amazing swoop in your front bangs, is just let it sit behind your ears for like 15-20 minutes, and it's the best swoop you can possibly get. But I always go back and redo these front 2 pieces. And then voila, you have a blown out hair look done at home. The kind of wavy curl will fall a little bit, but not too much. It really sticks and holds in there because of that cool shot button, and it's really easy to touch up the next day. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have an Airwrap, I hope this helped you guys out. It really is the greatest tool I've ever owned. So that is it for me, guys. I love you, and I will see you super soon in another video. Bye, guys.